Hi, and welcome to your meditation for relaxation. We are going to use visualization that will give you the chance to unwind, to finally have a moment of peace and relaxation away from the daily stress. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position on your bed. Lie down. Keep your arms beside your body and give yourself the chance to do absolutely nothing. Take a few breaths to settle in, to tune into this precious time to unwind and relax. If you feel stressed, if you feel a bit stuck, all the emotions you collected from the day so far, it's time to release it all. It's time to release these negative energies and embrace a moment of complete, total relaxation to finally get to sleep. Whatever happened to you earlier in the day, leave it all behind. Let's reclaim your place in the world, being present in the moment. You can't change what happened in your life, but you can change the way you feel about certain events, people, and situations. It's time to shift your perspective. It's time to release all the tension. Take a long, deep breath in and long breath out. Imagine you are out for a nice relaxing walk in nature. You feel a sense of connection, of union with the earth. You are free from the world, free from the day so far. You don't need fancy clothes. You don't need to put a smile on your face if you don't feel like. You are free of just being you. No masks, no rules. You are free. You are free. Take a look up. See the blue clear sky above. Now you feel yourself light as a feather. No more burdens, no more pressure on yourself. You are so light, you can fly. Now, if your mind starts wandering and some negativity or worry shows up, breathe into it to let it go. You are not floating on air. You are like a balloon. You can go up and up in the sky with no effort. You are now flying all across the blue sky. It's so relaxing. You feel free. You feel amazingly in tune with yourself. You left all the problems behind, down on the earth, and now you have the chance to look them from a different, unique perspective. Nothing can harm you up here. You have the chance to be you, to be alone, to be happy, to be free. While flying across the sky, you see a cloud showing up in your clear blue sky. And imagine it's one of the negative thoughts you have. A problem at work, a stressful relationship, an argument. Imagine it's a feeling of unhappiness and stress. Anything undermining your life, your happiness, your balance, your commitment to the present moment, to relaxation. Deep breath in, into the cloud, into your negative thoughts. Deep breath out. See how your breath pushes them away, clearing up your sky and giving you the chance to see the blue clear sky back again, cleansed from all the negativity and distress. And again, deep breath in, into the clouds. Deep breath out. See and sense all the things that no longer serve you going away, leaving you with a sense of renewed calm and relaxation. One last time, make the most of it. Deep breath in, into the clouds, showing up into your sky. Let them gather all your fears and your anxiety. Deep breath out. Watch them disappearing, fading away. Now, spend a few moments in stillness. Notice how you feel. Notice how, with the power of this visualization, with the energy of the present moment and your commitment to it, you have been able to cleanse your mind from all those negative emotions and feelings, and how now you are back on track with a brand new mindset, a better perspective of what your life really is, a life free from negativity, free from stress. Now, bring your palms together, and together we bow. Namaste.